Ever wonder why most of us spend years in school but never spend a single hour learning how to actually manage the money we'll eventually earn? When I first opened my account at Patriot Bank, I thought a bank was just a place to park my paycheck. I quickly realized I was leaving a lot of tools on the table. If you're looking for the best Patriot Bank financial education resources, I've found that they don't just give you a login, they actually give you a roadmap. The first place I always recommend starting is the Patriot blog. It's not just corporate fluff, it's where I found a deep dive into mastering frugal living. They break down the difference between being cheap and being frugal, which is basically the difference between buying low quality and buying high value. They also have an insider's guide to credit card interest rates that actually makes sense of the math behind your monthly statements. If you're a visual learner or a numbers person like me, you have to check out their personal financial calculators. I used these to run the numbers before I bought my last car. Instead of guessing what I could afford, I plugged in my variables to see exactly how the interest would impact my monthly budget. For those of you with kids or younger siblings, their youth savings resources are a hidden gem. They're designed for people under 18 to teach the dollar saved is a dollar earned mentality early on, with no monthly fees or minimum balances to worry about. It's a low-stakes way to practice real-world banking. Then there's Savvy Money, which is integrated right into their digital banking. It's a credit monitoring tool that doesn't just show you your score, it gives you a credit score simulator. You can see exactly how much your score might jump if you pay off a specific debt or what happens if you open a new line of credit. Lastly, don't sleep on their white papers. They put out research reports like the Commitment to Financial Literacy that help you understand the bigger economic picture in Connecticut and New York. It helps you realize you aren't the only one trying to figure this stuff out. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.